wait for the retest, and then kind of just be really confident in that play going up or down. So
yeah, sounds like I think a lot of people have the misconception that with STAX you're just some of us are just buying exactly what STAX is saying, but there also is a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes in terms of the analysis.
right.
It definitely does help. Now, it's not to say you can't profit by just following STAX blindly, but obviously there's always a little bit more risk to it, not understanding what you may be expecting, but not understanding where things might be going,
Right.
and what the chart currently looks like. Right.
I think it's really important for like the top-down analysis that Chemo talks about. Like, I think like I can't trade on a computer, so I will chart on my Thinkorswim. Just having those key levels really helps me because that's like my profit target in a way. And then I look at my phone when I'm in clinic. I look at my Thinkorswim on my phone. It's like the chart's not like it's not very like it's not a computer, right? So, but I still have those levels that I like keep in my mind. So I think that's really important with using STAX and being able to like chart, having those trend lines and just making sure that, you know where your profit targets are. You can't just be like, yeah, it's just gonna keep going up, keep going up. I mean, and that's really helping me a lot. Yeah. It's been great. Yeah.
Are you using the script that Chemo gave us for
Yes.
that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
I have the script, yeah.
I also noticed here, it's a hot topic recently, but GameStop, you also made some profits off of that. And what I've always found pretty interesting too is, there's all this talk about Roaring Kitty and the money and how he was using these dark pools to go purchase his options. It was actually pretty interesting to go look back on some of those purchases, and STAX actually did catch what Roaring Kitty was doing. So we were actually in fairly early compared to most of the public when it comes down to it. We were able to see those large, big money inflows, and Chemo caught that as well.